Okay, let's basically go ahead and do a conditional formatting and a static prompts. Example, my requirement is I need to have a prompt page wherein I can go ahead and select certain range of months and then have only those months displayed in my report. So let me go ahead and create a simple table. Let's go and insert a table. It's supposed to be a 2x2 table. Let me go ahead and insert a text here and say it is from month. Let's put another text and say it is to month. Let's just center justify. Let's just left justify. Right justify, sorry. Right justify, and let's just do a left justified for these both. This is just an appearance thing. You need not really worry about this. Let me insert a value prompt. Let the name be start month. Next, do we need a filter? No. Do we need a query? No. And let me go ahead and add the values for this, and then I would copy that one so that I need not do repetitive work. Let me say 1 is Jan, 2 is Feb, 3 is March, 4 is April, 5 is May, 6 is June, 7 is July, 8 is August, 9 is September, 10 is October, 11 is November, and 12 is December. So I have the values. Let me just simply copy this and paste it back here, and then go ahead and change this from start month to end month. I have only done this copy and paste to avoid typing twice the values. Now let's run this report and see what exactly we would have. It would basically give me a drop down with Jan to December and Jan to December again, wherein someone can select that they need from Feb to March or whatever they want. They can basically select right from here. Let's go back to our report and I have Jan, Feb, March, April and everything. So let me just simply run this report and see what would happen. Right now, since we have not defined any conditions for our first month and start month and end month, it would basically populate me all the columns in this report. So let's go ahead and create few variables. Well, since it could be many conditions, let's just keep it simple by using a boolean, and let's say start month is greater than is less than 3 and end month is greater than 1. Let's not use display value. By default it would say display value, but since we have a different display value and use value, let's use a use value basically, and let's name this as Jan. Let's go ahead and copy this and paste it to Feb, and let's just test it out first for Jan, Feb, and let me copy one more and have it for March. So what would be the condition for Feb? It would basically be F4. Sorry, earlier it has to be for Jan, it should have been less than 2, greater than 0. For Feb it would be 3, 1. For March it's supposed to be a 4, 2. Let's go to the report and let's basically apply a conditional formatting. So let's just do a simple conditional formatting. Let's go and say no for January. So in case January is not selected, based on January, I'm gonna box out January. So I'm basically just simply hiding the column January. If it's no for February, I'm gonna do the same thing for February. I'm gonna take out the box type. If the box type is none, basically that column cannot be viewed at runtime. And I'm only doing if in case that particular month is not there in our range. Let's select March.